Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the first question on page number 95. Essential practicals. This is first question. In examination, 25 students secured the following marks. We have been given the marks of 25 students. These are arranged in ascending order, so this is an individual series. Now arrange these data in the form of a frequency distribution using following class intervals: 20, 29, 30, 39, 40, 49, 50, 59, 60, 69. So we will need to arrange the data in these class intervals, then arrange the data with the cumulative frequencies. Okay, now so what we need to do now, first question number first on page number 95. What we need to do, this is given here for the data. 25 students secured the following marks. So marks secured by students. This is about the data. Now class intervals. Class intervals are given here in the question: 22, 10, 39, 40, 49. So we'll write these: 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, and one more is there, 60 to 69. Frequency. Now we'll calculate the frequency. So what we'll do, 20 to 29 is the first class interval. So how many students got marks between 20 till from 20 to 29? That is 23 and 28, 2. So 2 we'll write here, not the marks. What we'll write the number of marks, that is 2. Now 30 to 39, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next is 40, that is out of the class, so 5. Then 40 to 49, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now 49, as you can see, the upper limit is here is 49 and the lower limit here is 50. So it is an inclusive series, and in inclusive series we count the highest number also, upper limit also. So we'll calculate till 49. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is 8. Now 50 to 59, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here it is 4. Now if you wish, you can make the daily bars as well. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second question in this, it is arrange the data with cumulative frequencies. So we'll arrange it with cumulative frequencies. That can be done in two formats, that is more than and less than. So more than, here first we will do it with more than. So more than 20, because it is starting from, you can see that starting from 23. So we do not need less than 20 meter. So it will start with 20 and it will end under 70. So more than 20, then more than 30, then more than 40, then more than 50, and then more than 60. Now the frequencies more than 20, what we see is that all the numbers are more than 20, so it will be 25. Okay, now you can solve it from here. More than 30, so in more than 30 what we will do, 25 minus this frequency, that is 2, so it is 23. So we have done this. Now the frequency here is 23. 23 minus 5, so more than 40 are 18, then more than 50, that is 18 minus 8, that is 10, and then more than 60, that is 10 minus 6, that is 4. So 25, 23, 18, 10 and 4, these are the frequencies of this more than series. Now we'll make it less than. Now when we make less than series, what we should focus here is the highest limit and the lowest number. The highest number is 68. That says us that our series will not go more than 70, and here our series will not go less than 30, because we have the number more than 20. The number is not less than 20, so it will not go to 20. So it will start from less than 70, because the number is more than 60. So this will start as less than 70, less than 60, less than 50, less than 40, and less than 30. Okay, now frequency. As we see the question, what first we see that the highest number is 68. It means all the numbers are less than 70. So less than 70 will be 25. Okay, now less than 60, whatever is there more than 60 is to be subtracted, or the frequency of 60 to 610 that should be subtracted. So minus 4, that is 21. Now less than 50, so we'll subtract 6 here, that is 15. Then less than 40, that is 15 minus 8, that is 7, and then 7 minus 5, that is 2. This is 29, that is 2. So these are the less than frequencies, these are the more than frequencies. This is how you can make a cumulative frequency series. This was the question number 1. Now we'll go through the question number 2 on the same page. That is, the following data is of the age of 25 students of class 11th. The age of the students is given. Arrange this data in a form of a frequency distribution. Okay, so we need to First what we do, we write here age of students of class 11th. Okay, now we should see the data. This is starting from 15, 16, 17, 18, 17, 15, 16, 17, 16, 15, 16, 18, 10. So it is starting from 10 and ending on 18. Okay. Lower limit, that is 10. Upper limit, that is 18. So what we can do, we can do it in two ways, either with individual series or the frequency distribution series. So first if we do with individual series, that can be done in the way 10, 11. When we see here, 10 is here but 11 is not here. 12, that also can't be seen. 13, 14 not there. 50, it is starting from 15. So 10, then 15, 16, 17 and 18. Okay, now 10 if you see, that is here for ones only here. So 10, the frequency of 10 is 1. 15 is here for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times. 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 17, 1 2 3 4 5 or 18. 1 2 3 and 4. Now if we total it, that is 8 and 8 16, 16 5 21 and 4 25. It means the frequencies where what you counted are correct. Now you can make the tally bars. 1 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. This is the individual series. Now you, if you want to make it a frequency distribution series, what you can do, we'll start with 10 and we need to go to till 18. So we'll take the class interval of 2, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16 and 16 to 18. Now the frequency of these 10 to 12, that is only 1. 12 to 14, if you see here the next number is 15, so 12 to 14 is 0. 14 to 16, more than 14 and less than 16, because it is an exclusive series. We are taking the upper limit as lower limit of next class interval. So 14 and 15 will be counted here. 14 is not there, 15 is there for 7 times. So 7. Now 16 to 18. And one more class interval will be there, that is 18 to 20. 16 to 18, it means 16 and 17, that is 8 and 5, 13. And then 18 to 20, 18 is therefore 4 times. So now we can total this 13 and 4, 4 and 13, 17 and 7, 24 and 1, 25. It means our answer is correct. Now we'll make the tally bars. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the frequency distribution series. You can solve this question with both the methods, either with the individual series or with the frequency distribution series. Now there are 4 questions given here on this page, that are question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 on page number 95, that you all need to solve as an homework. Next time when we start our video, we'll start with question number 7 on page number 96. Thank you.